Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Actually, you can get a better editing app from Play Store, or you can have a editing software inbuilt in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me show you from this gallery. This is one of my picture. Now I'm going to edit it on my from this gallery, and this edit option, if you want to find the edit feature on your gallery, then here is a pen icon which will allow you to edit your photo according to your needs. The first option is to crop your photo. From here you can crop your photo by here, then you can just rotate the photo from here, whichever whatever angle you need. Then you can set the ratio of your photo. You can get the 1:1 ratio, you can go 3:3, 3:4 ratio, and you can get the original ratio from here. And you can simply, if you find that you just messed up, then you can just undo the edit from by this back arrow option. Simply tap on it and it will undo this edit that you have made from here. Then from here you will find a revert option. It will completely discard all the edits that you have done on your photo. Now let's go forward. Now here is horizontal. It will help you to also cut from horizontal, and this is for vertical. If you want to cut it from vertical, then it will help you to cut your image. Now from the second option is the filter. From here you can use different type of filter. As you can see here, from here you can actually set the strength, the color, temperature, contrast, saturation, film grain, whatever you want. This is named bridge. Then pulse. There's many types of um, you can say many types of filters are available. You can also download them and you can also customize them from here. You can see the customization bar where you can customize the color, temperature, contrast, saturation according to your needs. Now you can download filter from here. If you tap on this download icon here, you can just just need to connect with your network, and here you will find some filters that are already available on your Samsung Galaxy store. Then you can simply tap on the download button. You will find this type of download button. You can just need to download it, and then you can find the filter here. As you can see, I have just downloaded a filter that I have an icon of that filter. So this is a downloaded filter from here. Then you can just go with the third option where you can edit the whole images, light balance, brightness. You can just scroll right to increase the brightness and scroll left to decrease the brightness from here. And you can just go with this. Then you can set the exposure from here. For example, you can get the exposure. If you exposure high, if you slide it right, and if you want to decrease the exposure, then you just need to swipe it left. So I'm going to decrease a little of exposure. Then here is contrast. Now you can just increase the contrast just as same as like the others. You just need to swipe right, so you will get the plus value from here, and plus value means you can increase it, and minus value means it will decrease the amount of the contrast, vibration, saturation, and brightness, whatever you want. So let me increase some of contrast here. Now here's highlight. You can see you can just easily decrease it or increase it. Let me decrease some highlights from here. You can increase or decrease shadow. If you increase it, it will give you much whiter color, and if you just decrease it, it will increase the shadow color, the dark color on your image. And saturation, it will help you to increase the color, the actual image. If you want to make your image more colorful, then saturation will help you to increase the color, all of the color that you have on the image, like red color, black color, white color, gray color, green or purple, whatever you have. Then in the tint, it will help you to increase, also it will help you to increase the color, the solid colors. The temperature, you can make it more warm, or you can decrease it to make it more cold. Here you can see it looks like some cold environment. Now from here you can also increase the sharpness, but there is no option to decrease sharpness from here. So here I'm going to increase it. Now definition. Now the third option is to draw a picture. You can draw a picture on your draw a sketch on your image, and it will just generate the element that you want to add by the AI. And you can go with stickers. You will find different types of stickers that you want to add on your image. So this is stickers, and from here you can also add some text if you want. So then here you will find the text option. Simply tap on it, and from here you can just add a text like this: Apple Pro education. Let me add the top picture. Now here tap anywhere to add this text, and you can just increase it by swiping from this corner of the text. And if you just move around, then you can just rotate the uh, picture, and you will get this text, and you can actually get a alignment, this alignment line that will help you to align your text at the middle of your image. Now you can just customize it by tap on it. You can select the font from here. Here is different types of font you can find, and you can download also. You can download some different types of font from here. So let me choose one. Now from here you can just choose the color of your font. You can go with this type of colors if you want. So you can also get from this rainbow color. You can get all types of colors that you can select for the text. You can also select the spectrum, that is the combination of multiple color. So let me set this here, and from the last option is the four dot, where you can find the object eraser. Laser object eraser will help you to erase any type of object that you want to remove from the image. It will help you to erase that object. You just need to select that object from here, and AI will help you a lot in this section. Now lasso will help you to cut out a specific section that you have select, and you can also go with this spot color that will help you to get the color, actual color, like this one. I want this color, so it will give a specific sections color if you want. So and color mix and style, you can get style from here. You can get different type of style. You can make sketch of your image from here. Now that's how you can simply edit your photo according to your needs, or if you like. So then after completing the editing, you can just simply tap on save, and it will save the image, this edited image, on your gallery as a copy of the original photo. So that's how you can simply edit your photo on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.